This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and we are gonna open a new bag of filters. This is the bag that we are using, the protein, and he is gonna change it for this new client. On the door of the van we have glove and hand sanitizer. So we are in Dr. Phillips. Everything is prepared, our shoe covers, all our cleaning products and racks. People are already working and we are ready to go inside the house. I just finished to drop some toilet bowl cleaner inside the toilet. The Lysol is a really good product, strong enough to remove mineral deposits on the line where the water stays. It becomes hard mineral deposits. So this is an acidic product with a pH of 1 to 3. I'm gonna do the same. I already removed the carpets and take out the garbage. The same I'm gonna do in the bidet, because sometimes water is there and mineral deposits. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. As I told you, every house has different needs and I use different kind of products. This is a really good house. This is a maintenance cleaning and I love to use this product. The smells is great. Oh, I feel like in heaven, I guess. Thank you. 407-572-4118, anyhousecleaning.com.